If from life you take the best, and if in life you keep the jest, if love you hold, no matter how the years go by, no matter how the birthdays fly, you are not old.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We from People's Initiative Lucknow are grateful to the Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, NISD, and Media for You Foundation for having given us this opportunity to participate in the modern day social media outreach initiative through podcast station Anubhav, especially for senior citizens.
So, the task for the creation of these podcasts was assigned to us at the end of last year in November 2021, and it took a while for us to get the recording studio to be established. Meanwhile, we took stock of the human resource available with us to enable us to build a working team. Now we needed to have a training session in place, which was conducted by Media for You and were very informative and enriching. We are very grateful to Mr. Alok Verma, who personally came to Lucknow for the training session. A young intern, Saransh, was also provided to us by Media for You, and this young man was a great support for us. Thus, we could build a team of 14 people to launch this program, interviewing eminent people from the field of science, academia, art, literature, culture, and the home too, women from their homes and old people in old people's homes. There were initial hiccups coordinating the teams and the interviewees, both being senior citizens with deep-rooted mindsets. But soon, we were able to put into place a workable process which was replicatable every time, and it was finally put in place so we could work at a much faster pace and meet the target number of interviews in a record period of time. It has been a bumpy but really enjoyable experience. We would now like to share with you excerpts from the interviews we took with people whom we carefully drew from various backgrounds, keeping in mind their capacity and abilities to express their deepest emotions, their fears, anxieties, the highs and lows in their life, their joys and sorrows.
So let's go straight to hearing from people. What do you have to say? Where do you start, Nishi?
We must begin with Padma Shri Roona Banerjee, a social activist who shares with us her experience of a brush with the government official, where she recounts how and why she tore up the work order that was given to her.
तो कहने लगी नहीं, दोपहर का तो नहीं, मैं रात का खाना खाना चाहता हूँ। हमने कहा आपसे मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ, मैं 7 बजे के बाद किसी को अलाउ नहीं करती। और भी कई चीज़ें उन्होंने कही जो सुनना पसंद नहीं होगा किसी को भी, तो मैंने उनका ऑर्डर वही फाड़ा और उनके डस्टबिन में डाल दिया।
The next, I think I recall one Rekha Shukla. Rekha lived in mortal fear of so many issues, like having seen a dead body and fearing some ghost and snakes and living alone. And she lived in this fear psychosis for something like 30-40 years without explaining it to people. And how we were able to motivate her to come out and explain in detail that what has been behind this whole scene, the fear psychosis and what is. I mean, it's wonderful. And let's hear something from her.
डरावने किस्से तो मेरे जीवन में इतने आए हैं कि मैं क्या बताऊं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी किस्से रहे हैं जिनसे मुझे बाद में बड़ी शर्म महसूस हुई, पर मैं क्या करूं, उस समय तो मेरे ऊपर भय का आतंक मंडराता रहता है, मुझे और कुछ सूझता ही नहीं। अब क्या करें, ये मेरे लगता है कि मन कपोल कल्पनाओं में डर भरा हुआ है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती।
COVID has disrupted our life in 2020, and its impact was felt by everyone, especially the senior citizens. We'd invited Dr. Suryakant, who led the fight against COVID in Uttar Pradesh, and he talks to us about post-COVID management and the host of diseases with which we are having to struggle. Let's hear Professor Suryakant.
5 जुलाई 2021 को हम लोगों ने पोस्ट कोविड क्लिनिक का उद्घाटन किया था। तब से वो बराबर चल रही है। और दूसरा, पोस्ट कोविड क्लिनिक के लिए मैंने कर रखा था कि ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन हो तो ठीक, पर्चा बना हो तो ठीक, ना पर्चा बना हो तो ठीक, लेट आए तो ठीक, आपको वापस नहीं किया जाएगा, चाहे हमारा जूनियर डॉक्टर ही क्यों मिले। तो ये हमने स्पेशल उसमें प्रावधान रखा था। ये पर्चा, ये फॉर्मेलिटी, ये देखिए ये सब चीजें क्या है, ये रेड टेपिज्म है। मेरा मानना है कि अस्पताल और मंदिर, मतलब पूजा गृह कोई भी हो, मंदिर मस्जिद गुरुद्वारा, इसमें तो ताला लगना ही नहीं चाहिए, इसमें तो कोई एंट्री बंद होनी ही नहीं चाहिए 24 घंटे होगा।
And yes, I remember one podcast of Sushma Mishra, essentially Hazef, but all through she has been fighting, going ups and down her career, life, living issues. Ultimately, when she was thinking she's perched on a comfortable branch of a tree, suddenly she lost her husband. Such was the agony that she said she wanted to fight with the God. Let's hear from her.
2014, when my soulmate, my husband, has expired. After that, I thought in my mind it comes that God has cheated me, and I was very hurt, very upset. मेरे को बहुत तकलीफ हो रही थी, लेकिन मैंने कहा चलो इसमें भी कोई चीज़ होगी कि जो भगवान ने मेरे को अकेले भेजा है इस सब फाइट करने के लिए।
Arvind, the next person that we have chosen is Rupali Chandra. Now, she had the courage to leave home at the age of 60 plus and go off to Mumbai to pursue a career in mass communication. And just when her career was taking off, COVID struck. And she had to come back here to Lucknow to go home. Let's hear her speak about that moment in her life.
हम 60 साल की उम्र में गए बॉम्बे, वहाँ किराए के एक फ्लैट में रहे और पूरा एक जैसे एक स्ट्रगल करने वाला यंगस्टर जाता है उस तरह से, और जाने कितना पैदल चलते जाते थे, 7-7, 8-8 किलोमीटर रात के 10, साढ़े 10, 11 बजे जा रहे हैं दूर कहीं ऑडिशन देने, एक स्टूडियो से दूसरे स्टूडियो, और हमें थोड़ा सा छोटा काम मिलना शुरू हुआ। लेकिन नाइंसाफी हुई, ये जो कोविड आ गया उसमें हमें लखनऊ वापस आना पड़ा।
And Nishi, you recall Dr. Yogesh Mishra, who differentiates between old age people and senior citizens. He says that the senior citizens has a mission, they still want to do something out of the creative energy left with them, and then he says that 65 to 80 is the most creative age. Let's hear directly from him.
सीनियर सिटीजन 65 का भी होता है, 75 का भी होता है, 80 का भी, 85, 90 के भी हो सकते हैं। आप मुझसे कहेंगे दोनों में फर्क क्या है? फर्क ये है कि जो सीनियर सिटीजन होता है वो अपने पिछले अनुभवों के साथ अपनी जिंदगी को आगे बढ़ाता हुआ आने वाले भविष्य के जितने लोग होते हैं आएंगे उनको अपने एक्सपीरियंस को कंट्रीब्यूट करता है।
We have been allotted such little time that we can't take you to more people, more interviews. I'm sure they're very interesting, but we have to observe the timeline. So now, coming to conclusion, after we had this 100 podcasts completed, we sat and we had a review meeting and kind of workshop that what we have gained and what have we lost in the whole process for the last 6 months, during the last 6 months. So we requested our Kush Tripathi to coordinate with this, working out the meeting minutes of the meetings, and he has come out with a conclusion. So I think it's good that we hear it directly from the Kush, that what has been the positive outcomes of the podcast experience with us. Over to Kush.
There are 10 key points in which the podcasting program has brought significant impact. 80% of our senior participants had never even been interviewed before or had an opportunity to share their experiences on a platform. Podcasting was a happy experience for them. It was an opportunity for both the interviewee and the interviewer to reflect on the good and the bad memories. These were moments of articulation of issues previously unresolved. The podcast opened up a whole world of curiosity around elder issues. Myths around old age were busted, and topics around old age issues opened up new areas of exploration for many of our participants. Senior citizens face numerous challenges such as financial issues, health issues, both physical and mental, societal exclusion, and familial disharmony. All of them were brought to light. The journey of podcasting encouraged many to pursue productive aging and validated those seniors already living active lives. The podcast became an expression of self-help and a source of catharsis. Many participants mentioned that the sharing of experiences helped them address their innate loneliness. Participants and the production team of all senior citizens had an excellent opportunity to hone their skills, sharpen their minds, and adapt to a new platform and media. For the interviewers, this was an opportunity for them to learn new age technologies and to improve their management and organizational skills. A process was developed for organizing the session recordings, which led to the creation of a community concerned with elder issues. This led to the development of an aura of trust and safety where seniors could speak their minds. The conclusion of 100 episodes by People's Initiative for the podcasting channel Anubhav concluded on a positive note, and we very much look forward to opportunities where we can build and grow this community of vibrant seniors for a more peaceful and equitable society. Thank you.
This presentation has been made by People's Initiative Lucknow. Thank you so much for being with us today.